Introducing the game-changing 2020 Skoda Karoq STY 1.6tdi with 115 horsepower and a sleek grey exterior. This powerful yet fuel-efficient vehicle is perfect for both city driving and long road trips. Packed with top-of-the-line comfort, safety and technology features, including satellite navigation, Android Auto, CarPlay and Collision Avoidance Braking. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing and comprehensive warranties, you can drive confidently knowing you're in good hands. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit laharts.ie today for more information on this exceptional vehicle. Drive home in luxury and style with the Skoda Karoq STY 1.6tdi.